Hi, today I'm going to be showing you how we can automate your suitability letter writing and dramatically reduce the time taken on reviewing, analysing and creating these documents, either for pensions, GIAs, ISAs, depending on the tax wrapper. We can automate this process and allow Emma, the paraplanner plan, to review, analyze the data being uploaded, and then create in your bespoke template that letter for you following your meetings. So first of all, I'm just going to create a report here, and this will bring us into the templates. Now, what I'm going to do is quite a hefty report. As you can imagine, the pension consolidation, I'm sure as you know, is one of the largest and complex. So let's just go into here, and I need to add a client's name. Now, I'm going to be using dummy data, so I'm going to use John Doe, and I'm going to just go and upload the documents. Now, the documents are needed are the usual documents that a paraplanner in your firm would be reviewing. So reduction in yield, seeding scheme, FE performance data, meeting notes, fact finds, and illustration. Now, when I hit next, Emma is going to be doing all of the heavy lifting for you and that paraplanner. So running through those documents, bringing out the relevant data depending on your template, and surfacing it in what we call Emma's snapshot. And Emma's snapshot's a view into what she's thinking, almost her brain, and what her first initial thoughts are of that information that's been uploaded. And this is, I'd say, the first point of where your paraplanners have the chance to view the documents, view the information, and it's that initial step of changing data and making sure that it's all correct. So here we've got objectives, and I can jump in, I can highlight, I can delete, I can edit, and I can add information in. But as the paraplanner, all I need to do is go through, click looks good when I'm happy with the information there. And this is the stage before creating that suitability letter. And I guess here it's that support. You've got to think of Emma as your support team member that you've employed. Okay, she's going to continually learn off you and get better and better and better. This is one of my favorite bits here, the recommendation. Now, Emma's actually providing you with what the recommendation is, key features of the recommendation. As you can see here, she's doing a bit of analysis, so reasons for recommendation and potential disadvantages for this recommendation. Again, I'm going, looks good on these sections once I'm happy. And what this is that review stage for that paraplanner, taking away all that heavy lifting, surfacing the data into the Emma's snapshot, and going from there. And I'm going through and hitting looks good, looks good. Plan comparison, looks good. Reduction in yield, looks good. Performance, cost of advice, and hitting next. And now what Emma do will go about generating that report. But I've mentioned before, the team is built, or the AdvisoryAI, Emma and Evie are built by paraplanners and advisors. So we appreciate that you're not going to want to look at generating your report. You're going to go and want to create other reports while this is going through. So by all means, we can do that just by clicking generate, and we can go off and run LOA packs or other suitability letters that we might have on our desk. Okay, great. So Emma's now gone off and generated that report. This one's around 27 pages, but just to give you a flick through, we can incorporate tables, but any formatting that you need. Just to make it clear, this is bespoke to your templates. We build and train Emma to your templates and what you need. Right, hopefully speak to you soon. Thank you very much.